Hello students, now we will start question number 9 from exercise 8.3. Question is find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. So here we have to find the amount. Amount is equal to what? As we studied in our introduction part 2, amount is equal to principal. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. So here principal is given to us and rate of interest is given to us. So from that, first of all, from the rate we can find interest or simple interest. After that, we'll add interest and principal. So whatever the answer, that is our amount. And to find the interest, equation for that is what? P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. That is PRT upon 100, which is P stands for principal, R for rate of interest, and T for time period. So to solve this, what we will do here? First, here we will write the given data. So principal is given to us, which is rupees 1200. Rate of interest is given, which is 12%, but for per year or per annum we can say. And after that, time is given, which is 3 years. So to solve this, SI equal to PRT upon 100, we know that. So P is given, which is how much? 1200 multiplied by rate of interest is given, which is 12%, and time is given 3 years upon 100. So this 0 will be cancelled. 12 into 12, we know 144. So if you will do 144 multiplied by 3, what you will get? If I will do 144 multiplied by 3, I will get rupees 432. But that is what? That is the simple interest. So now we have to find the amount. So for that, equation for that is what? We discussed this thing in our introduction part 2, that amount is equal to principal plus interest. So for that, principal is how much? It is rupees 1200 plus interest is how much? Just now we found that 432. So if I will add this, I will get rupees, sorry, I will get rupees 1632. Okay, so this is the amount that have to pay at the end of 3 years. Now similarly for the next one. Now in the next one, principal is given, which is rupees 7500, and rate of interest is given, which is 5%, and time is 3 years, and we have to find simple interest. So for that, equation is what? P multiplied by R multiplied by T, which is principal plus rate of interest plus time divided by 100. So what we can do here? Value of the principal is how much? 7500 multiplied by rate of interest is 5%, and time is given, which is 3 years, divided by 100. So these two zeros will be cancelled. 5 into 3, 15. So 75 multiplied by 15. So if you will do 75 multiplied by 15, you will get rupees 1125. That is the interest, or we can say the simple interest. But we have to find the amount. So for that, amount is equal to, equation is what? Principal plus interest. So principal is given, which is rupees 7500, plus interest is, which is rupees 1125. So if I will add 7500 plus 1125, I will get rupees 8625, and that is the amount have to pay at the end of 3 years. So this is how we have to solve this type of questions. If you are having any query or doubt regarding this, you may ask me in comment section. To solve this type of questions, we need to do only simple things, that we have to follow the equations and just we have to put the values and we have to calculate that. Okay, so thank you.